Ever wondered how much interest you really pay on a loan? And how much principal you've paid off so far? Let's break it down in Excel with cumulative principal and cumulative interest paid functions. In this example, I have a $20,000 car loan at 5% annual interest, paid monthly for 5 years. First, cumulative principal function to find out how much principal we will pay off in the first 12 months. The rate is 5% divided by 12, since we pay monthly. NPR is 5 years times 12 months. PV is the loan amount. For the start period, I'll put 1 and the end period is 12. I'll finish with a 0 to show payments are made at the end of the period. Let's see. That's the total principal paid in your first year. Now for total interest, same idea, but I'll use cumulative interest paid function. This gives me the total interest paid in the same period. Combine both, and you can see exactly where your money is going. This is gold for budgeting, early repayments, or deciding if you want to refinance later. If this helped, hit subscribe for more bite-sized Excel finance tips, and take control of your money, one formula at a time. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.